Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn something super practical: how to convert decimals into fractions. First, let's understand what's really happening. A decimal is another way of showing a part of a whole, just like fractions. For example, 0.5 means 5/10, which simplifies to 1/2. So converting a decimal to a fraction is really just expressing it in a different form. Here's the easiest method you can use for any decimal. Step 1. Write down the decimal divided by 1. Example, 0.75 divided by 1. Step 2. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 100 to remove the decimal. 0.75 times 100 equals 75. 1 times 100 equals 100. So now you get 75 out of 100. Step 3. Simplify the fraction. 75 out of 100 divided by 25 equals 3/4. Final answer, 0.75 equals 3/4. Let's try a few together. Pause the video and give these a shot. 0.4, 0.875, 0.05. Answers: 0.4 equals 4/10 equals 2/5. 0.875 equals 875 out of 1,000 equals 7/8. 0.05 equals 5 out of 100 equals 1 out of 20. If you got those right, great job. You're getting the hang of it. Here are some quick tips to remember. Every time you move a decimal place, you're multiplying by 10. Always simplify your fractions to the lowest terms. See? Converting decimals to fractions isn't hard at all. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy math tutorials. Thanks for watching, and remember, math is everywhere.